The science experiment is going to be our own homemade projector. What we need for this is a torch, a magnifying glass, scissors, a supervisor, and my brother, and last of all, a box of Legos. So we need a support for the torch. Now, we just need to check if this fits here. At the housing for the lamp is done, we can move on to the next step. Cut the screen out of this box. Now that our screen is done, we need to use some Legos to help this stay maybe like here. And then we will use a magnifying glass to do this, which will project to the wall. Now that our screen is done, we can put our magnifying glass and build something to make it stay there. Now the light will only go through the screen. We'll put the magnifying glass here so it will work. Our projector is complete. Now we're going to draw a little figure here. Turn off the lights so it can go on the wall. Turn on the light, please. See, the image here is upside down, but the image here is the right way up. That's because the magnifying glass, yes, the magnifying glass, it inverts the shape. So then it's upside down, goes to the magnifying glass, inverts the shape, and that's how it is. This is my science project, a projector.